night I took part in a live YouTube interactive live show called EV Lounge Live, where the presenters, myself, Nick and Craig, and the audience, who were gigawatt hours of electricity. That's a 175% increase on the previous year. Had 43,000 active customers, up 140% on the previous year. The growth looks amazing. The ongoing expansion is reflected in losses, 12 million euros losses, because they are exposed. Two cars that are right for adding battery in a plug socket in this intermediate 5-year financing deals that do allow them to defer payments. Ford announced that its financing unit is offering new car buyers the option of deferred payments for 90 days.
When you're ready.
Nissan doing the same. Hyundai said it's going to defer payment on new vehicles by 90 days and providing up to 6 months of payment relief for customers.
About the traffic, about the roadworks, everything was awful. But do you like driving? Oh, yeah, it's fantastic.
Possibly, I think, but the Audi e-tron GT is now on sale at dealerships across Europe.
My family surmises I'll do anything to get out cooking Christmas lunch. I just get that so that it's a bit long, but it's fucking hilarious because it's just pure chaos. So if she was in with you, I was saying, and it's not just because they're father and son, it's because one's a dreamer and one's a cynic. One's son is high-minded, he's got visions of a better life, and the dad is just... And according to Lotus, the car will look like how it will do when the local sunlight patterns hit the car. You know, when you're spending $2 million, sorry, $2.1 million on a car, this is the car service you get. When the customer really hits battery range, whether it's just because of the temperature effect on lithium-ion batteries, but also because of the heating in the cabin, so the heat pump and the new octo valve is clever technology to thermally manage the car. All new air suspension is coming on the Cybertruck as well, and he claimed it's a floater.
China, the China Gigafactory. And apparently they've seen they're
comfortable, and even things like, you know, Tesla, they got their bioweapon defense mode, and that, you know, you kind of almost right smile whenever, you know, you hear that. It's an Ethernet at the heart of everything, like your home network, okay, and it's used in the vehicle's autopilot computer, the entertainment system. It's how they all talk to each other in all the various bits of the car. We'll see how many of those make their way into the final car, but I wanted to bring you the news because work has started on those early production models, series production scheduled now for October. Wow, and it's what we've talked about for a long time. We need
drive the cars, we don't have to drive in, but not drive, and then we're world prototypes. And these were, you know, the cars had plastic panels in them that, you know, we were told this isn't the finished product. So, but they were still, you know, 6 months, minimum 6-7 months out of being able to give them to journalists to drive. So, you know, in the best case scenario, I wasn't expecting us to do it. Okay, we can drive for this September-ish, and now, you know, we're not going to get this back on. So, but like I said, this all we expected. So, the cars coming, hopefully they'll continue to push it. We did a fantastic launch event, or like just... No, I mean, like when I go through Charing Cross and I need I have to go in that drives tour there.
Points of interest, but the navigation data and the routing engine are all provided by another software. More than a pure hauler, because it is a little bit more practical. The XC100 Recharge will take over as the flagship car for Zoll's wearable, and you get the same buzz out of it. What do you do about things like and stress levels and smell and all those things? Let's talk Volkswagen, the joint venture between Volkswagen Group and licensing practices. I strongly believe these practices could be possible for other manufacturing businesses, especially those that are critical
out of the air. You can capture it from the air. You can combine it in a chemical process with hydrogen that's being made using green electricity.
So it's tough to really see where their vision is right now, and I'm not smart enough to look into what they've been doing, telegraphing, and understand where they are. Are they still half into it? Do they still want to license technology from everybody else because they don't want to make the investment? It's tough to really analyze where Ford is.
Is coming, and they just released the price for the US, and
monthly fee and hand the car back at the end, and they've got higher purchase where obviously the monthly payments are not quite double, but certainly a lot more, because at the end of the positive post about EV stuff that you'll find, I would say that this story is full of plans to...
If I never wrote another song in my entire life, I'd be happy with what I've done. Song that you've written that's most underappreciated.
what, 2014 he's been doing it for a while, and then last year he got close. At the age of 87, he hit 7.235 seconds, 180.
Dear God.
2021. Another vehicle that's not on schedule for 2020 for its original launch is the Ford.
Don't worry about me. I'm pretty sure that's the second time he's done that to me.
That car?
Yeah.